that I am here today at this Invest Karnataka 2025. As Karnataka celebrates, this is the spirit of Karnataka's economic and industrial leadership. Friends, Karnataka holds a very special place in my heart. Karnataka is where I became engineer. The seeds of the JSW group were sown here, where many of our businesses were born. Though I hail from Haryana, but it was in Karnataka that I took up the first big challenge of my entrepreneurial journey, building a world-class steel plant in Bellary in Vijayanagar. What started as a barren, arid, landlocked region has today become India's largest single-location integrated steel plant and soon to become world's largest integrated single-location steel plant. This transformation was not mine alone. It was achieved with the dedication and determination of people of Karnataka, whom I consider my own. This state gave me the knowledge, the opportunities, and the environment to build and grow, which is why I proudly call Karnataka my Karma Bhumi. Nanu Nimma Maga, Niyu Yella Namma Parivara. To this date, the JSW Group has invested over 1.2 lakh crore in Karnataka, creating over 100,000 jobs. Karnataka's rich history of enterprise dates back through Vijayanagar Empire, known not only for its magnificent architecture, but also for its thriving commerce. The state has long been a hub for industry, innovation, and talent. Today, it stands as one of the strongest economic powerhouses in India, leading in diverse sectors like biotechnology, information technology, textiles, aerospace, automobiles, defense, iron and steel. With more than 250 engineering colleges, 44 universities, and 25,000 startups, Karnataka is truly R&D and innovation capital of India. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah ji and his progressive government, Karnataka has emerged as one of the most investment-friendly states in India. The government's policy, infrastructure, and ease of doing business make it a preferred destination for domestic and international investors. I also must mention the bureaucracy of this state. They understand the need of business and they take a long-term view, and that is why the industries prosper here in this state. Bengaluru, in particular, is a magnet for talent, attracting some of the brightest minds from across the country. Walking through its streets, one can see both the brilliance of its people and, of course, the infamous traffic jams, because of everyone is here busy building the next unicorn or the next big innovation. JSW Group has a deep-rooted connection with Karnataka. Many of our businesses, steel, energy, infrastructure, cement and paints, and ports started here. Beyond industry, we are also deeply invested in sports and talent development in this state. Our Inspire Institute of Sports has nurtured champions like Neeraj Chopra, Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia, who have brought laurels to India at Olympics. Karnataka is also home to Bengaluru FC, our football team. JSW Foundation, with a legacy of over 2 decades, in Karnataka, our CSR arm is deepening its impact. In the past 2 decades, it has reached out, positively impacted the lives of millions of Kannadigas through grassroots initiatives across education, health, livelihoods, skill development, and environment. JSW Foundation has played a role in revitalizing the cultural heritage of Karnataka through our interventions in Hampi, which have resulted in increasing tourist footfalls in this region and also getting it the prestigious UNESCO World Heritage Site certification. The foundation is now working with Hampi Development Authority and Government of Karnataka to convert Hampi into a global tourist hotspot by introducing Hampi by night. The JSW Foundation is also supporting artists, artisans, and local craftsmen. I am excited to announce JSW's next phase of investment in Karnataka across 5 thrust areas. Steel. We are committed to making Vijayanagar the world's largest and most advanced steel plant. This 43,000 crore investment will expand capacity, implement cutting-edge AI and robotics, and lead the world into producing high-quality steel. Energy. Karnataka's abundant renewable resource make it ideal for green energy. I was talking to the Energy Minister, Mr. George, and I was telling him that Karnataka has this huge potential to make the grid as a green grid. There is which could be one of the first in the world to become the highest percentage of up to 70% of green energy. And to that effect, we are investing 56,000 crores in the next few years in building solar, wind, green hydrogen and pump storage facility in Karnataka. In infrastructure side, we are building a port in Keni, which would be the largest port of Karnataka in near Karwar in Dakshin Karnataka. Our commitment extends beyond business. We are here to build communities, empower people, and strengthen Karnataka's cultural and economic backbone. So friends, please come to Karnataka, invest in this state, because you won't find a better state to invest. This state has all the ingredients that is needed to set up industry, to set up business, and the peace of mind which you get in this state, you will not get anywhere else in the world. And I'm saying this because I'm a long-term investor in Karnataka. I can confidently say that this state offers unparalleled opportunities for business to thrive. The government support, the entrepreneurial spirit, and the talent pool make it an ideal destination for investment. The people of Karnataka are the greatest assets for any company. The local people here are very intelligent and hardworking. To my fellow investors, I say this: Karnataka is the land of opportunity, the place where businesses grow, where ideas turn into reality, and where the future of India is being shaped. Join us in making Karnataka stronger, more prosperous, and a global industrial powerhouse. Make in Karnataka, make for India, make for the world. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.